Nestled amidst the lush landscapes of West Java, Indonesia, Sundanese architecture stands as a testament to the harmonious relationship between humans and nature. More than just shelters, these structures embody the soul of the Sundanese people, reflecting their beliefs, values, and deep respect for the natural world. The architecture is characterized by its use of organic materials, intricate details, and a focus on creating spaces that integrate seamlessly with the surrounding environment. Generations of Sundanese have viewed their homes as living things, extensions of the natural world rather than structures imposed upon it. This philosophy is evident in every aspect of their design, from the materials used to the layout of the homes. The result is an architectural style that is both aesthetically pleasing and environmentally conscious. Sundanese architecture is not defined by grandeur or imposing structures. Instead, it celebrates simplicity, functionality, and a deep connection to the land. Each element serves a purpose, both practical and spiritual, reflecting a way of life that is deeply rooted in balance and harmony. The essence of Sundanese architecture lies in its use of natural, locally sourced materials. Bamboo, with its strength and flexibility, forms the backbone of most structures. Harvested from the surrounding forests, bamboo is used for beams, columns, walls, and even intricate woven patterns that adorn the walls and ceilings. Timber, often sourced from sustainably managed forests, provides the framework and adds a sense of warmth to the interiors. The wood is left largely unpainted, allowing its natural beauty to shine through and age gracefully over time. Palm leaves, woven into intricate patterns, form the roofing material, providing excellent insulation from the tropical climate. These natural materials not only blend seamlessly with the environment, but also contribute to the home's sustainability. Bamboo, a rapidly renewable resource, grows abundantly in the region, while timber is carefully selected and used sparingly. The use of natural materials ensures that Sundanese homes have a minimal environmental impact, both during construction and throughout their lifespan. Perhaps the most striking feature of Sundanese architecture is the distinctive roof designs. These soaring structures, often with dramatic curves and intricate details, are not merely functional but carry deep cultural and spiritual significance. The shape and style of the roof often indicate the social status of the family and the function of the building. The most iconic roof style, known as, resembles the wings of a mythical bird about to take flight. This design, typically found on larger homes, symbolizes prosperity, social standing, and a connection to the spiritual realm. Another common style, with its steep slopes and curved edges, resembles the back of a rhinoceros. This design represents strength, resilience, and protection from harm. The roof, characterized by its two overlapping sections, gets its name from its resemblance to a dog with its ears perked up. This style, often found on more modest homes, symbolizes loyalty, vigilance, and a strong connection to the community. Section 4. Spaces for family and community inside the Sundanese home. Beyond the striking roofs, the layout of a traditional Sundanese home reflects a deep understanding of communal living and the importance of family. The design prioritizes open spaces, natural ventilation, and a seamless flow between indoor and outdoor areas, blurring the lines between the built environment and the natural world. The heart of the home is a large, open-air central room that serves as a gathering space for family and guests. This is where meals are shared, stories are told, and community events take place. Surrounding are smaller, more private rooms, typically used for sleeping and storage. A small enclosed porch at the front of the house, serves as a transitional space between the public realm and the private sphere. It's a place to receive guests, relax, and enjoy the cool evening breeze. The design of the home encourages interaction and a sense of community, while also providing spaces for privacy and retreat. Section 5. Living Traditions, the enduring legacy of Sundanese architecture. In a rapidly modernizing world, Sundanese architecture stands as a powerful symbol of cultural identity and a testament to the enduring wisdom of traditional building practices. While modern materials and architectural styles are becoming increasingly common, there is a growing movement to preserve and celebrate these traditional homes. Many villages in West Java have dedicated themselves to preserving their architectural heritage, recognizing the cultural and historical significance of these structures. Some traditional homes have been transformed into museums, offering visitors a glimpse into the past and showcasing the beauty and craftsmanship of Sundanese architecture. Architects and designers are also drawing inspiration from traditional Sundanese designs, incorporating elements like soaring roofs, natural materials, and open layouts into contemporary homes and buildings. This fusion of old and new ensures that the legacy of Sundanese architecture continues to thrive, inspiring future generations and reminding them of the importance of living in harmony with the natural world.